48 verber, dansk-engelsk, video 1. To subscribe. To subscribe. I subscribe. He subscribes. I am subscribing. He is subscribing. I subscribed. He subscribed. I have subscribed. He has subscribed. What newspapers have you subscribed to? What newspapers have you subscribed to? John lost many subscribers on YouTube. John lost many subscribers on YouTube. What newspapers have you subscribed to? John lost many subscribers on YouTube. To warn. To warn. I warn. He warns. I am warning. He is warning. I warned. He warned. I have warned. He has warned. We must warn her. We must warn her. Peter ignored the warning. Peter ignored the warning. We must warn her. Peter ignored the warning. To deliver, to drop off, to hand over. I deliver, he delivers. I am delivering, he is delivering. I delivered, he delivered. I have delivered, he has delivered. Deliver this message to my brother. Deliver this message to my brother. She dropped off the child at the kindergarten. She dropped off the child at the kindergarten. Deliver this message to my brother. She dropped off the child at the kindergarten. To cancel. To cancel. I cancel. He cancels. I am canceling. He is canceling. I cancelled. He cancelled. I have cancelled. He has cancelled. The meeting was cancelled. The meeting was cancelled. Peter cancelled his appointment. Peter cancelled his appointment. The meeting was cancelled. Peter cancelled his appointment. To replace. To replace. I replace, he replaces. I am replacing, he is replacing. I replaced, he replaced. I have replaced, he has replaced. Who will replace me tonight? Who will replace me tonight? We are looking for a replacement for him. We are looking for a replacement for him. Who will replace me tonight? We are looking for a replacement for him. To activate, to enable. I activate, he activates. I am activating, he is activating. I activated, he activated. I have activated, he has activated. Two-factor authentication is enabled. Two-factor authentication is enabled. Susan hasn't activated her account yet. Susan hasn't activated her account yet. Two-factor authentication is enabled. Susan hasn't activated her account yet. To analyze. To analyze. I analyze, he analyzes. I am analyzing, he is analyzing. I analyzed, he analyzed. I have analyzed, he has analyzed. The policeman analyzed Linda's fingerprints. The policeman analyzed Linda's fingerprints. Let me analyze the situation. Let me analyze the situation. The policeman analyzed Linda's fingerprints. Let me analyze the situation. To attack. To attack. I attack, he attacks. I am attacking, he is attacking. I attacked, he attacked. I have attacked, he has attacked. Bears can attack people. Bears can attack people. The hero in the movie attacked the monster. The hero in the movie attacked the monster. Bears can attack people. The hero in the movie attacked the monster. To arrest. To arrest. I arrest, he arrests. I am arresting, he is arresting. I arrested, he arrested. I have arrested, he has arrested. Should we arrest them? Should we arrest them? I know who got arrested. I know who got arrested. Should we arrest them? I know who got arrested. To bath. To bath. I bath, he baths. I am bathing, he is bathing. I bathed, he bathed. I have bathed, he has bathed. She hates bathing alone. She hates bathing alone. Where can I take a bath? Where can I take a bath? She hates bathing alone. Where can I take a bath? I subscribe. I subscribe. I warn. I warn. I deliver. I drop off. I hand over. I cancel. I cancel. I replace. I replace. I activate. I activate. I analyze. I analyze. I attack. I attack. I arrest. I arrest. I bathe. I bathe.